Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor and Keller Williams Market Center Investor in Little Rock, Arkansas and Fairfax, Virginia. In KW Hudson Valley, we've got a special treat for you. Become Google Great. This is a 3-hour workshop, Zoom-based, that we're going to go in and show you everything that you need to do from a Google point of view to be successful with your business. The record for this workshop is I had one business owner add an extra $500,000 annually to their bottom line from these free tools and techniques. So I'm going to show you how to apply all of these to your business. And the best part is in the 3 hours, you're going to have time to actually start to go out and do it. So it's going to be what I call tell, show, do. And the do is going to be a big part of this session. So you're going to walk out of here empowered, knowing that you guys can take this and use this for your business and have the strongest 2024 possible for your business. So I will see you guys via Zoom very, very soon. That is going to be coming up on November 8th from 1 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. So block your calendar now and RSVP, and we'll see you guys very, very soon. Thanks.